storm, burning everything we know. Dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm. I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time by here, my name is Cleosha. I'm a wife and a mom of 4, currently pregnant with twins, and I just like to bring some cleaning motivation to anyone who is in need. So today's video is just going to be a weekend clean with me. I did previously record this video, so it's kind of old. Not too old, just a little old. But I am still getting it done in this video. I had some laundry to do, and I just like to clean up on Saturdays mostly, just kind of get the house nice and tidy. And I also will be mopping in today's video. So I hope that you all are ready for some cleaning motivation. Hope that you are in need. If you enjoyed this video, this quick video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you enjoy.
Go a little wild, is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know. Dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
It's really not that bad in the living room. I'm just going here and tidying up. I brought all the clothes so I can fold them, and then the kids are going to put them away. I'm just putting away blankets because we probably had a couple kids sleep on the couch over the weekend, but that's fine. The living room, typically it only takes about 5 minutes to clean up, but today it will take a little bit longer because I was mopping. So currently I'm almost 31 weeks pregnant with twins, and I am just dragging around this load, y'all. It's really heavy. I be still trying to do stuff around the house, but it gets really hard. So my family does help out a lot, and I'm thankful for that. I just like to do like some little spot cleaning here and there, just so the house won't get so bad, and that helps out a lot.
Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide.
For the most part, we do sit at the table and eat, but sometimes we don't. And then most of the time, whenever the kids eat something, especially something messy, they always get at the table, or they'll sit in the living room at the table. But I always have to keep these seat covers clean. I got these from Amazon, and these are just a lifesaver. They easily come up, and I can just toss them right in the wash and just wash them real quick. I always let them air dry. I never put them in the dryer. I just don't want them to shrink, but they always come back looking brand new, and I love them. I love the color and all that. Real simple, real easy. So usually on weekends I cook a big breakfast for the family. I probably had already cleaned up, y'all. I can't even remember, but I'm just gonna go in and spot clean, get everything nice and clean. I always like to clean off my countertops, my stove, and the whole nine, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean for when I get ready to cook again. Most of you already probably do this, but if you don't, it helps a lot once you finish eating and everything, to go ahead and clean up a little bit, just so it won't have so much of a mess when it's time to cook or clean again. I just like to clean up a couple times a day just to make sure that my mess don't accumulate so much that it gives me anxiety.
You come back around. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at? 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. All these thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at? 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Stay where you're at, I will be moving on without you, baby. Don't bother to come back this time.
I don't know about anyone else, but I'm so excited to take down Christmas. Like, I am beyond ready. I'm tired of looking at the tree. My kids, they just did not do right this year. They were taking the ornaments off, rusting stuff, and it was just too much. I'm just ready for Christmas to be over. I'm ready to take it down, and I'm just ready for a fresh start in a nice clean home. Let me know down in the comments if I'm alone. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be the Grinch or anything, but I'm just ready for it to be over. So let me know down in the comments, what are y'all doing for New Year's? I'm probably going to be laying around the house because I already have a lot going on, and the pregnancy is definitely one for the books. So I'm just going to be trying to take it easy. I have not been cleaning, like this type of cleaning, in a while, so I have been trying to take a break as much as I can. My husband has been helping me out as much as he can, so it's been great. But yeah, I just wasn't as excited as I was. I think last year I was a little bit more excited about Christmas. I don't know if it's just I have so much going on, and that might be the problem. But anyways, let me know down in the comments what y'all doing for New Year's. I am so excited. We went through this year so fast. Man, this year went by so fast. But I'm excited to see what's in store for 2023, and hope that everyone have a safe and prosperous year. I'm just going to be finishing up this video mopping and getting the floors together. I usually don't mop in the middle of the day because I have so much traffic in my house, and that is my kids. But I'm going to go ahead and mop on today so I could go ahead and get it over with. I usually mop at nighttime, and that's when it's the most pleasing for me too, because everyone's in the bed and I don't have these little foot marks everywhere. But I still got it done. The laundry that you see over here, I did not get to do on camera. I think I did it a couple days later. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. I just do it as I see please, and I have my own little laundry schedule. I don't know. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this quick video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. I hopefully can get back to making some normal videos soon, but I'm not in a rush. I got a lot going on, but I do miss making my videos. I do still vlog and stuff on our vlogging channel, so make sure that you are following us over there as well. It's always linked in the description box. And thank you so much for clicking on today's video.
Love me like you love a pack of smokes in